Oh, hello. We've left the campsite and we have decided that we're going to be children. We've come to Flambards. You've never been, have you?
No.
No.
Nothing wrong with being children.
I practically lived here with my kids. But, so it's Britain in the Blitz. Oh, mask. Have you got a mask? Oh, hang a minute. Have I got a mask? You got a spare one?
Spare one? I haven't even got one.
Ah.
I gave you the one that was in my bag yesterday. Oh, back
Right,
to the car then.
back to the car, get masks. Excellent. Well,
we're eating.
Yeah.
We've only just got here.
Do you want to tell the good people what I've done?
Well, you've booked us to come to Flambards.
To do what? In particularly?
Well, to go to England in the Blitz and the Victorian
Village.
Do
you want to tell the people what isn't open?
Neither of those attractions.
Yeah.
Because you didn't read the website, did you?
No, I didn't. So it's just cost me 36 quid and we can't see what I want to see.
Well,
on the
lots of people here.
Yeah.
And there's lots of rides and things, if that's your thing. It's not our thing.
No. But we're going to upgrade, aren't we? We're going to get an annual return.
Yeah, so that you can...
So we can come back and just come back and go and see it. And as you can tell, look at this. We're eating and drinking. Anyway, we'll be back and we'll show you around the rides. Can't show you what I wanted to show you, but we'll show you around the rides. Right, we're going to have a look around. We've eaten.
Well, we've topped up because
Yeah.
it's freezing.
So and what we've done is because I'd already spent £37 and got the wrong day, I've decided I'd spend an extra
£74.
£74.
So we can bring you back.
So we can bring you back and show you around
when everything's open.
When everything's open. So what we're doing at the moment is just walking around the.
I tell you what,
yeah,
it looked sunny this morning and it's caught a lot of people out. I've just walked past a woman in flip-flops and ooh.
Was she cold?
Well, she looked cold.
She looked freezing.
Yeah.
So
I can see Humpty Dumpty.
Don't talk about me like that.
Oh, we could go on a carousel.
Oh, you want to go on a carousel? Oh, we're going to go on a carousel. So we're going to go on this. Here we go. We're going to go on that. Let's do this. Let's do this. I know.
Was it like take two? I can't remember what I said now. So I said you're sat astride Tom.
Excellent. And you're sat astride. I can't see your name because it's on the
Ian.
other. Who?
Ian.
You're sat astride Ian.
He's only as short as Ian. Or do we go up and down?
I think you should get some height.
Oh, I couldn't go on that. Look at that. Oh no.
No, Lewis went on that.
Oh no.
You're right with me, is that okay?
Yeah.
Lovely. Some people like to find their name, but...
There's no answer. She'll ride anything.
Ride yourself. How lonely is that? That's you asking me.
Oh, ready? Let's go. Are we going? Are we going?
I think you're going to be going.
Oh, look. You're going down. I'm going up. Oh,
this is about as fast as I can tolerate this.
Oh,
and I'm doing it.
There we go.
I only watched Mary Poppins in the week.
Did you?
Yeah. That's a bit bumpy, isn't it? I think this is probably about as old as Mary Poppins.
Oh.
It's not a particularly smooth ride on Ian, I have to say.
As it cranks down. Oh.
I mean, our calipers need oiling.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's full of sugar.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'll tell you what, it's quite cold holding on to the pole though.
Yes, my pole's pretty cold.
Wow.
Oh. Right.
I'm glad this is free.
Oh. No, this isn't free. This is 100. This is 100. This is 100 quid worth. This is. Oh dear. Oh. Right.
Let's go.
Yes, it'll be cold. We're going to look for something else after this.
Yeah, we're not indoors.
No, not indoors.
Cool rocket pub.
Oh, so. Oh, what about the little balloons? Little balloons are lovely.
I'll do the little balloon.
Little balloons? What about that? What about the log flume?
No, it's too cold to get wet. I honestly do not want to get wet.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
All right.
Amazingly cold.
It is cold.
Walk down this way then.
Yeah. So I know what's down here.
Oh, you've been here before, haven't you?
Yes. Oh.
What's normally in there then? In the big
So what it says, it's exploratarian. So it's lots of things, scientific things. Show you how things work, and you can get involved, and sound and mirrors and stuff like that. It's
bit of interaction.
yeah.
Hornet coaster.
Yeah, which is this.
Alright.
It's good. It's good. But she won't come on the Hornet coaster with me. Even I'll go on the Hornet coaster. So there's a big queue for the Hornet coaster.
Oh, that's definitely get wet, Tommy. I do like log flumes.
Yeah, look. It's only little baby log flumes.
Yes, but I can't look at those swings. Oh my god.
Yeah, I couldn't do that.
No, that doesn't look safe to me.
What about? So I definitely can't interest you.
Here we go. Oh, no.
Oh. Do you want to go on a helicopter? You know you've got to pedal it, don't you? You're going to go on it and pedal it?
I'm not pedaling it.
Ah. I want to go on a log flume.
Go on then, I'll hold the camera.
No, you can't with me.
Oh, it's helicopter.
Yeah, go on.
It's coleopter.
Coleopter.
Yeah.
So,
You press the button and you sit back and relax, and the other person does all the pedaling. That is my that is my advice.
the cyclocopter.
I know, I've never seen anything like it.
Now,
It sounds like it should be a dinosaur, doesn't it? The cyclocopter. Coming to get you.
yeah, so...
Oh, there's another one, over there.
There's lots of them.
We're waiting for this swing thing to start, aren't we?
You want to go on this, didn't you?
Oh my god, no. If there's one thing I do not want to do.
Look at that. We'll give it a go. There we go.
Bit of relaxing music.
So that I could live with, but it's when it tilts. it goes. We saw something similar to this, didn't we, in Winter Wonderland?
5 times taller.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice in the sun.
No thank you. Oh, now this Thunderbolt, my eldest son got on this about 4 years ago. I just... Now, as if it wasn't bad enough just going round and round. I don't know. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. But that's it. You're on it. It's not that. You watch. It now twists. Right, you watch it. The actual arm will rotate. So that's bad enough for me. Here you go. Oh, no thank you. Yeah, no thanks. Yeah. Oh, no thank you. You've got to say it again.
We're such party poopers.
Yeah, I just couldn't do that.
No, me neither. I'd feel sick just watching it.
I've done the tugboat. The tugboat's alright. We're going to go on the balloons. Should we go on the balloons? We're going to go on the balloons.
Oh, what about this thing here?
Oh no, look at that. Oh no. No, thank you.
Oh, that's still going,
Should we do the balloons? Should we do the balloons?
I'm not doing it.
Sorry, no, we were going to go on the balloons. But
There's a big queue and it's really for kids, isn't it?
yeah, well, we decided that we really needed a small child with us to go on the balloons. So we're gonna steal a child to take onto the balloons.
This is the thing you're pretty good at, isn't it? Zap the aliens
Yeah.
from what's the other place we go? In Cornwall. Where'd you go to take the kids?
That's in Devon.
Is it?
That's Milky Way.
Oh, is that in Devon, is it?
Oh dear. You're a Devonian and you don't know that? Ah.
Yeah, we're back where we started.
We are back where we
It's
started.
not more over that way then.
We're going to go up in that corner. I think some of it's closed. But ice cream. I might have an ice cream. Do you want a whippy ice cream or a normal ice cream? That's all we've done so far is eat and drink.
We've walked about a bit.
We've walked about a bit. We're gonna have a look, see what we've got. Right, so we've just got...
One of us has got a vegan classic,
Yeah.
and the other fat person has got a double gold caramel billionaire,
I love it.
which I'm assuming is quite gluttonous.
Oh, back in a minute. Well, we've had a look around, and with only just the outside rides being opened,
Yeah.
as good as it is, you really ideally need a child with you because you get some funny looks when you're clearing up for the baby rides, and it's just
Owing them out the way.
yeah. So we'll sort of cut this bit short, and we'll come back when Britain in the Blitz and the Victorian Village is open. So
I just wondered what this was used for.
I'd say this was a bandstand.
They put little plays on here, that's got things for curtains. I mean,
Yeah, backdrops. Yeah, so we're going to go Mullion, into Mullion, around Mullion Cove,
Yeah, why not?
after we've got some fuel.
I'm just looking at these kids' faces, look.
I love it. And High Drop School Garden. Wow.
Look at this little boy here, look. This one. He looks about 55. He wouldn't have changed one iota from childhood to adulthood, would he?
I love it. Right. Back when we're somewhere else. Oh, by the way, tell them we've got our card.
Our annual card.
We've got
in
annual.
case you were very.
Oh yeah,
excited.
we did mention the fact I've spent more money. So no, not I. We spent more money. So, right, back in a minute.